To understand the Kashmiri Dastarkhwan, you have to know about Wazwan. Assalam-o-Alaikum Pakistani Foodies family. Today is August 5th, and on this occasion, most royal traditions in the region, the Kashmiri Dastarkhwan.
We start with tabak maz, lamb ribs slow cooked in spiced milk, then deep fried in pure ghee until crispy gold on the outside and tender inside. Next is Rogan Josh. It was brought by Mughal influence. The deep red color comes entirely from dried Kashmiri mawal flowers.
Lamb cooked in a velvety yogurt broth, infused with black cardamom, cloves, and fried shallots.
And no Dastarkhan is complete without gushtaba, the final dish served to mark the end of the feast. Silky meatballs pounded by hand for hours using stone and wood, simmered in rich yogurt gravy.
When winter settles, time moves slower over the mountains of Kashmir, and so does the food. Simmered under coals until dawn, this is shabdeg. In the morning, you hear it before you taste it. Paddles working pure meat into a single silky thread. Harisa, a dish of strength, traditionally.
No winter gathering is complete without a touch of magic. Add milk and you have noon chai. Step into any wedding today. Salt has given way to sugar.
This tabak maz is absolutely perfect. Sharing a trami with family or friends brings a feeling of unity that you just don't get with individual plates. The tenderness of this meat combined with makes Kashmiri cuisine truly one of a kind.
आज के दिन हम कश्मीर की उस सदियों पुरानी सकाफत लाजवाब, रवायात और बेमिसाल जायकों को सलाम पेश करते हैं। खाना सिर्फ पेट भरने का नाम नहीं, ये दिलों को जोड़ने और तारीख को जिंदा रखने का जरिया है। पाकिस्तानी फूडीज की तरफ से कश्मीर के तमाम जायकों और उनके पीछे छिपी मेहनत को हमारा सलाम। आपको कश्मीरी दस्तरख्वान का कौन सा पकवान सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है? कमेंट्स में जरूर बताइए। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और पाकिस्तानी फूडीज को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। अल्लाह हाफिज।